Hi guys, I am Sakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's almost 3 p.m. and I'm just starting this video right now. I have a sore throat, but we have a lot of things that I need to get done. So we are just gonna start with that. And first things first, I have to shoot for a brand. It's like a user generated video that I have to make for them. So that's what we're gonna shoot right now. And I thought I'll just take you along with me on this and kind of show you guys behind the scenes of how brand collabs work. Also, this is even my own first time that I'm shooting for a brand, and it's like a UGC content. So yeah, it's also my first time, and I thought it would be fun to just document this and like share it with you all. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, let's just get into the video now. But first things first that I have to do is pick an outfit. So the brand colors are, wait, I'll just show you guys everything. So this is the product that I am shooting the content for. I have to wear something that looks good with this product right here. So we have first option as what I am wearing right now. This top right here, which kind of goes very well with that. I got this one from Westside. And then we have this t-shirt right here. This again goes perfectly with the brand and yeah, with like the product. And I got this one from H&M. So I think I'm gonna go with this one right here because I think it would look more like athletic everyday wear. And yeah, because that one is kind of dressy and I don't want to look dressy when I am doing my supplements. So I think this will look good. I'm just gonna change into it and then we are gonna start shooting the video. Alright, you guys, I have just changed and this is our top that we are gonna style. I'll see you guys in some time. Hi guys, I just got done with my shoot and I also ended up editing the video, so everything is done now. I want to revise what I studied yesterday. Also, I am in the middle of this book right here. I haven't read it at all today and I really want to. Also, I was thinking of doing like a reading challenge, and you guys can let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a video like that. And because honestly I love reading, so I would love to do a challenge. And yeah, so now I'm just going to study for some time and then we will read because as I just told you, I just love reading. So I'm gonna read in some time, but I need to first get some work done because I haven't studied at all today. And yeah, I'm gonna study right now. So yesterday I studied written representation, and another essay that we did yesterday was about using the work of auditor expert. So I ended up revising written representation yesterday only because उस essay में literally कुछ भी नहीं है. So today I'm going to start revising this essay right here, which is essay 620. So let's just do that for some time now. This essay is also very small and it won't take that long, so that's great. Also, you guys, this West Side candle is just disgusting. Please just don't go and waste your money on this. Just got done with my revision session, so I'm gonna unbox this parcel that I received yesterday. It contains something super pretty and I wanted to open it with you guys. This is what the notebooks look like. They are really pretty, and yeah, they are plain from the inside, and yeah, you can literally make them completely flat like that. And yeah, that's what they look like. I'm very excited to use this. Also, I got a couple of more things. I got these notebooks from Amazon Basics. They are like very basic and again plain, and yeah, I am going to use these I think as my life binder for 2025, and I'm gonna create my life binder very soon. Yeah, I'm very excited to use these notebooks. And then I got some of my favorite pens. They are Uniball. Let me know in the comments bar which pens are your favorite. I just love how they work, and they are like very smooth on the paper, and I love that. You guys, I'm just going to read for a little bit, and I also want to be on Pinterest. Okay, so this is literally the perfect weather to just be in my bed and read my little book. And I also ordered some stuff from Blinkit, and I have ate like almost all of it. I just have two things over here for snacking purpose. First off, we have these, one of my favorite candies ever. And then we have this right here, Super You. This is from Ranveer Singh's brand, and I really liked it. So I got this, and yeah, now I am just going to be in my bed and read for some time. We go so good together. We look so good together. No stress, take off the pressure. You wanna see the stars, but I got something better. You look like Calabasas and taste like Malibu. I watch that dress fall off your body and enjoy the view. We look so good together. We look so good together. Chardonnay on the cliffside. I made this one, बाकी सारी mom ने बनाई है, and I'm making more right now.